Well, Yuma County is seeing a decline in COVID-19 cases, but testing is also down. Health officials saying they only met 10% of their goal during the 5-day testing blitz in mid-August, begging the question, could the low testing be creating a false sense that things are improving in our area? Our News 11's Carmen Valencia spoke to a health expert and the county, joining us with this report.
Out of the 10,000 tests that were provided by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services in those 5 days, a little over than 1,000 people were tested. But health experts say that testing has also declined in the hospital by 50%. Across Yuma County, a major drop in testing. Even after the 5-day testing blitz in late August, only 10% of tests available were given.
And up and before the blitz occurred, test results were taking upwards of 2 weeks to come back as results. And so that data was out of date when we were trying to benchmark what's happening right now in our community.
Kevin Tennell with the county says several reasons could attribute as to why people are not seeking testing, as Yuma County is still a hot spot on the Arizona Department of Health Services website.
So sure, we were a hot zone 2-3 weeks ago, but things are improving quickly.
Yuma Regional Medical Center is also administering less COVID tests. The chief medical officer says there's been a 50% decline in patients being ordered to get tested.
Number of patients are actually declining, or the patients who are getting seriously sick is declining.
Adding there's been a 75% decrease in patients in critical condition with COVID and less than 7 patients in the ICU.
They don't have any symptoms anymore, so the number of patients with symptoms is declining.
He wants to make it clear to the community now is not the time to let our guard down, especially with flu season approaching.
But if you do get flu, you will be susceptible to COVID.
Both health and county officials are still encouraging residents to get tested if you believe you've been exposed to the virus or if you're not showing any signs of symptoms. Reporting in Yuma, Carmen Valencia, News 11.
And with that being said, here's where the numbers stand tonight. There are only 16 new cases to report in Yuma County, but sadly 6 new deaths. In Imperial County, there are just 20